in this tutorial I would like to show you how to use masking in Inkscape. I will show you one really great method to do it. I'm using this method so often, so I would like to share it with you. Okay, so for example, we have imported here this image. If you want to create a mask effect, you need to go to rectangle tool, and now we will draw here a simple rectangle, so it will look like that. Of course, you can always round corners if you want. You can click node tool and then you can easily round corners here. Now I go to selector tool and I select this object. You can duplicate this object by clicking Ctrl D or right mouse button and duplicate. I will duplicate this object 7 times. It will give us a very great effect then, so that's why I'm doing it. Maybe one more time. Okay, and now you need to press and hold Shift on your keyboard and select all black objects here, so I will do it right now. Then the last one object that you select is image, so I click on it. That's the moment to go to object and align and distribute. Here I recommend you to select last selected option, so you need to choose this one option. And then I recommend you to choose this one option, align bottom edge, and we will choose this one option, center on horizontal axis. I recommend you now to go to distribute settings, and here we have option even left edge. I click on this option and I will click the option center on horizontal axis. Then I press and hold Shift and click on image, and I will move all objects here to the left side. It will look like that. Now we need to group all these elements except the image, so I click right mouse button on it and then I select group. After that I select all objects here and I go to object, then I go to clip and I go to set clip. And like you see, we get here really great mask effect. And that's how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all. Thank you for watching.